Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're talking about something important, equipping your kitchen with gear that'll make your life easier. We've got 4 absolute must-haves, and believe me, these aren't your average useless gadgets. We're talking about game changers that'll elevate your cooking and make you feel like a proper chef. So put down the burnt toast, grab a pen and paper, and listen up. First up, let's talk about the Ninja Swirl by CREAMi. Now, some of you might think you don't need another ice cream maker, but listen up. This isn't just any ice cream maker, it's a bloody 13-in-1 machine. That's right, 13. Soft serve, sorbet, frozen yogurt, milkshakes, you name it, this thing does it all. And the best part? You're in control. Forget about that store-bought rubbish with ingredients you can't even pronounce. This machine lets you customize your creations. So whether you're dairy-free, watching your calorie intake, or just want to experiment with flavors, you can. Want to add some chopped nuts or chocolate chips? Go for it. The mix-in feature lets you add whatever your heart desires. And cleaning? Don't even get me started on cleaning. You know I hate a dirty kitchen, but this thing, it's a breeze to clean. All the parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. No more scrubbing for hours on end. Plus, the automatic soft serve handle? Genius. It's like having your own personal ice cream dispenser. Kids will love it, and let's be honest, so will you. So whether you're a seasoned ice cream connoisseur or just starting out, the Ninja Swirl by CREAMi is a must-have. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Next up, we're tackling a problem we've all faced: cold food. You slave away in the kitchen, preparing a beautiful meal, and then some of your guests decides to show up late, leaving your masterpiece to turn cold. Well, fear no more. The electric warming mat is here to save the day. This isn't your grandma's old warming tray. This is a sleek silicone heating pad with 6 temperature settings, so you can keep your food warm without turning it into leather. It heats up quickly and cools down just as fast, saving you precious time and energy. And the best part? It's so easy to use, even a toddler could manage it. No more awkwardly balancing plates on top of pots and pans. This mat is lightweight and rollable, so you can easily store it away when you're not using it. And when it does need a clean, don't worry. The stain-resistant surface wipes clean in seconds. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, keeping food warm for latecomers, or just want to enjoy a hot meal at your own pace, the electric warming mat is a game changer. Trust me, your guests will be thanking you for it. Now let's talk seasoning, shall we? If you're still using those dusty old salt and pepper shakers, you're doing it all wrong. It's time to upgrade to the electric salt and pepper grinder set. This isn't just a gadget, it's an investment in flavor. These rechargeable mills are sleek, stylish, and built to last. But don't let the good looks fool you. They're also incredibly functional. The adjustable ceramic grinders give you complete control over the coarseness of your spices. Want a fine grind for your soup? No problem. Need a coarser grind for your steak? Done. And the best part? Freshly ground spices make all the difference. You'll actually be able to taste the difference in your food. No more bland, boring dishes. This set will elevate your cooking to a whole new level. Plus, with USB charging, you can say goodbye to those annoying batteries. Just plug them in and you're good to go. It's that easy. So, ditch those prehistoric shakers and upgrade to the electric salt and pepper grinder set. Your taste buds will thank you. Finally, let's talk about organization. Now, I know some of you lot are messy rascals in the kitchen, but even I have my limits. A cluttered kitchen is a recipe for disaster. That's where this 2-tier soft-close pull-out cabinet organizer comes in. This thing is a lifesaver, especially if you're working with limited cabinet space. It's like giving your cabinets a much-needed makeover. No more stacking pots and pans precariously on top of each other, risking an avalanche every time you open the door. The soft-close slides ensure smooth and quiet access to all your kitchen essentials. No more loud bangs and crashes that wake up the entire neighborhood. And the sturdy steel frame can handle even your heaviest pots and pans. This thing is built to last. Installation is a breeze, even for those of you who are all thumbs. And it fits standard cabinet sizes, so you don't need to be a master carpenter to figure it out. Trust me, once you go pull-out organizer, you'll never go back. It's a game changer for anyone who values a clean, organized kitchen. So, there you have it, my friends. 4 must-have kitchen essentials that will change the way you cook, eat, and even think about your kitchen. From whipping up restaurant-quality frozen treats to keeping your food warm and your spices fresh, these products are game changers. And let's not forget about the importance of a well-organized kitchen. The pull-out cabinet organizer will have you feeling like a true culinary professional in no time. Now, quit slacking and head over to the description box below. You'll find links to all the products featured in today's video. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future kitchen adventures. Until next time, get cooking.